In this video, you will learn how to run LinkedIn email scraper and get many emails from LinkedIn profile. First of all, we have to make Apify account. Apify sign in Apify, and you will get this interface. Here, you Apify store. Then type here LinkedIn email scraper. You will check Bahansali soft. This one you have to click OK. After that, you have to do nothing here. Makes changing like only these parameters set like this and press save. After that, our second step is to make account in make.com. And after that, you will import blueprint that is provided in the folder. Import from here, choose the blueprint. After that, you will, I already imported and you will get like this. Now we have to make sheet to store data and store keywords. Here, this sheet is provided in the link provided. You may copy in your Google Drive. Now we have to make connections. First step, make connections like this. This is the example. Now LinkedIn emails. Okay, put limit here one. Press save. After that, over setting API integrations. Now copy API from here. Come here, this one, and add this one. Here is you can Apify and then put the API we have copy from here. Copy API and put over here like this. Press save. You select LinkedIn email scraper Bahansali soft. This one. There are maybe you have some or maybe lot of. You can select this one and do not change anything. This area is to time out for how many times it will scraping. You may increase here time to get more emails. Okay, after that, you do not have to change anything here. Just select from here and press save. Here is the number of emails you want to save. You can increase here 500, 1000 emails per run. Press save. After that, this is also this select like this one. Here's everything parameter are set. You do not have to change anything. Just click. This is setup is done. Once you run your emails are collected here. Names, emails, LinkedIn URLs, and about. These two things we are required to send emails later. Thank you for watching video.